Hello friends, today we shall discuss about Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of perpendicular plus square of base. Here you can see here we have taken a triangle. You see, we have taken a triangle here. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. The side opposite to the 90 degree is known as the hypotenuse. This is the base of the triangle and this is the perpendicular. According to Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of perpendicular square and base square. That means we can write, according to Pythagoras theorem, that h square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, that is b square plus p square. Now, suppose this is the base. If we take this as base, we make a square with side base, with side b, and this is b, this is b, this is b, and also this is b. We make a square. Here also you see, this is p, right? We have taken this p side, we make another square like this. And here you see, here the hypotenuse is h, right? Hypotenuse is h. And we make a square here with a side of h. That means we got 3 squares, 1, 2 and 3. But according to Pythagoras theorem, it has been said that hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of perpendicular square plus base square. But the question is, what is h square? You see here, this is square, this is length, this is a square of side h. This is h, means this is h. Therefore, you can say that the area of this square is h square, right? The area of this square is h square. And here you see, this is the base, right? And here you see, we have taken a square here also. That means the area of this square is b square. Here you see, we have taken another square, there is p. Here you see, this is p, right? That means we have taken this square, this length is p, this is p, this is p, and this is also p. Therefore, we can say that the area of this square is p square. That means we can say in another way that the area of this square is equal to the sum of the area of this square and this square, right? We'll prove it in this way, that the sum of the area of this square plus this square is equal to the area of this square, right? Now, what we get? That hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. And what is the meaning of hypotenuse square? Hypotenuse square means this is square of side h and the area of this square is h square. P, here you see, this is p, means perpendicular. And we have taken a square with side p, therefore the area of this square is p square. And here we have taken b, this side, base. I have taken a square also, therefore the area of this square is b square. That means h square is equal to p square plus b square. What is the meaning of h square? H square means area of this square, p square means area of this square, and b square means area of this square. That means according to Pythagoras theorem, the area of the bigger means this one, the area of the h square, area of this square is equal to the sum of the area of this square and this square. We will prove it here. First of all, let us cut it. We are cutting it here according to the line H. Let us cut this. Here you see, we cut the square of H and we got it, the area of this square as H square. Now, we will cut this one also, that is this one. Here you see, and the area of this square is b square. Also, we will cut this one also, that is p square. Here you see, we are cutting this square also. Right? Now we found that h square is equal to sum of b square plus p square. Right? We got that the area of h square or h square is equal to b square plus p square. This is a square of side h. Therefore, area is h square. This side is b and the area of this square is b square, and this is p. Area of this square is p square. Now see, here we have cut this one, that is h square, p square and b square. According to Pythagoras theorem, that the hypotenuse square will be equal to the sum of the perpendicular square plus base square. Right? Here you have seen that the base we have taken as 3 cm, perpendicular as 4 cm, and hypotenuse as 5 cm. Now we will prove that the area of this square is equal to the sum of the area of this square plus sum of this square. What we will find that if we take this square and put on this square, and if it coincides with one another, then the area will be equal. Right? Let us see how we are doing this one. This is the area of hypotenuse square. This is the area of perpendicular square, and this is the area of base square. Here you see, this is the area of base square. If the area of perpendicular square and base square coincide with this paper, that means the area of this area plus this area is equal to the area of this square. Let us try. First you see, this is p square. We are given here as p square. This much area is covered by p square. You see here, this much area is covered by p square. Right? Now we have this part, b square. We divided it into 4 parts. Since we have taken this base as 3 cm, 3 into 1, this is 3 square. This is 1 into 2, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square centimeter. That is 2 square centimeter plus 2 square centimeter, 4 plus 2, 6 centimeter plus 3, 9 centimeter. Because this is 3 and this is 3, 9. We have divided it into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3 into 1, this is 1 into 2, this is 1 into 2, this is 1 into 2. And if we coincide, if we cut this paper and put it here, let us find whether it is coinciding with this paper or not. Here you see, Now we'll cut this paper and put it here and show you that it will coincide with this paper, that we can say that the area of p square plus area of b square is equal to area of h square. Let us find it. Now, if we cut this paper into four parts, right? That is this one. Let us cut this paper into four parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Now if we try to coincide this paper, let us find out whether it is coinciding or not. We put it here, this one, right? And again this one. And again this one, and this one. You see here that all the parts coincide with the bigger square. That means we can say that the area of this square plus area of this square equal to area of this square. Right? Therefore, we have proved that the hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is the theorem of Pythagoras. Right? That means we have shown here that the sum of the perpendicular square and sum of the base square is equal to the area of this h square. Let us find it again. If this is coinciding with one another. Here you see this paper. We have put it here, one paper, and we have taken another paper here, right? Here you see it is coinciding with one another. And if we take another paper here and another paper here, it is coinciding with one another. That means the area of b square plus p square equal to area of h square, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.